Hello guys, this is Kevin Auto Insider here. So today I'm going to show you the whole process of how we clean a fuel filter. So I've already dismantled the pump from the tank, and we are working on this bench. So what I'm holding here, this is what we call the fuel filter. Okay, so once the fuel is pumped by the pump, it passes through this filter. So this filter corrects the debris and the dirt that may be in the tank. Okay, so it cleans the fuel through this filter. So I'm going to show you the whole process. Make sure you watch with me. Remember to subscribe also. Okay, remember the fuel pump is a very major part that needs to be serviced regularly or once in a while. So I've already removed the valve that is there. So this whole dirt was in this pump. You can see it's flowing. The pump is very dirty. You can see the filter. You see there. Okay. I'm going to drain this whole dirt to this container here. You can see. So as this fuel access away to the engine, okay, it blocks the nozzles, and you might be having a very bad day if your engine nozzles breaks. Okay, so it is very advisable to always clean your fuel filter once in a while. Okay, remember most fuel are not very clean. Okay, so it is advisable to always do this servicing. So I'm going to show you this whole process. You can see there's so much dirt. You can also confuse this dirt with oil. You can see, and you haven't completed the whole process. This is just the part of it. I'm going to drop another video or another episode on this, and this dirt actually can kill your fuel pump. Okay, and you might end up going to having more trouble. You can see this so much dirt, you can see, and after cleaning and everything, this is what we achieved. So you can see the dirt in this container. Okay, this is what kills your fuel pump. Okay, so that your fuel pump will always drain when pumping. So it you see,